friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on laptop. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly what you need to do is that you have to open the Chrome. Okay, you just open the Chrome. When you open the Chrome, here you can see the search bar. Just click on the search bar and you can search for the web WhatsApp. Okay, here I search for the web. Okay, web dot whatsapp. See here it has came webwhatsapp.com. After you have been select on it, just click on this webwhatsapp.com. Okay, after you have been click on it, here you can see the WhatsApp web. Just click on this link WhatsApp web. When you click on the WhatsApp web, here you can see some users WhatsApp on your contact and the QR code. Okay, so it says to open WhatsApp on your phone. So let's open the WhatsApp on our phone. To link devices from the setting, okay, there is the scanner, so we have to link with this. Okay, so we have to open the WhatsApp where there is the QR code. Okay, on the down you can see it says the screen to capture the code. We need to capture this code, no, that's why. So here I finished to open my WhatsApp. After that I move on WhatsApp. Then here you can see on the side there is the three dot. Just tap on this three dot. Sorry, this three dot. When you click on the three dot, you can see the setting option, so you have to need to click on setting. Okay, so when you click on the setting, after that here you can see the on the side the QR code options. Okay, you have to tap on this QR code option. When you move on it on the side again, here you can see here is the scanner. Okay, so just open this scan code. After you have been open on it, let's scan it. Okay, here is the QR code and here is the scanner, so now we can scan it. Okay, we can link it. Okay, see here I'm scanning and here it has done. And let's see what it's happens. Okay, it has finished to capture device login code. Just tap on the continue. Okay, here continue option there is, so tap on continue. After that here is the link a device. Just tap on a link a device. Okay, here when you click on the link a device, you have to give the password. Okay, here you can see I have finished to link a device. Again let's capture it. Okay, here I'm going to capture. Again it is again you have to capture to login. Okay, here's your login, so it is capturing. Okay, that's why you have to link it. Okay, so inside the laptop you can see, friends, inside the laptop you can see it's loading your chats. Okay, so here you can see if you it's loading, so you have to wait for some few minutes or few some seconds. Okay, it's just loading. Maybe it's backuping something. Okay, everything from your WhatsApp chat, chat calls, everything. Okay, it is just updating, that's why it's taking time a little bit. Okay, so just try to wait for some few seconds, like it will be 30 seconds or it may be 45 seconds, it may be 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, so it's back upping right now. It's still now it doesn't finish. When the backup will be finished, I'll tell you what you need to do is that. Okay, it's too late. Here friends, you can see it's logging out, and again you have to link the WhatsApp. Okay, why like that? There is a problem. Okay, that's why you can link it again. I'm just trying to link it again. You have to move on the WhatsApp and just tap on this three dot. When you move on three dot, just click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you can see on the side this one, this icon symbol, just tap on it. After that just click on scan code. Okay, then let's click on OK, and now let's scan it. It says device login code detected. Click on continue. Here now use WhatsApp without keeping your phone online. Okay, link a device. Click on OK. Again you have to scan it. Log in. It is logging in, and in the laptop it's loading your chat. Okay, let's see it whether it will be done or not. If there is the error problem, then let's see. Okay, how we can fix it. Here it has done, there is no error problem. Okay, so you can link the WhatsApp like this. And friends, if you want to chat with friends, then if you don't know then how to chat. Okay, so I'm just explaining about the how to use the WhatsApp chat. So if you want to use your WhatsApp, what you need to do is that, wait, I'm just I will explain you how to use the WhatsApp chat. Okay, firstly what you need to do is that, friends, you can see from here on this side, on these lines. Okay, this is your friends. Okay, so from here you can select any of them. Suppose I select this socio. Okay, this one, this socio, I select this one. Okay, you can also select your friends. Okay, suppose I, you have to tap on it. I click on it, and on the right side you can see this page has been finished to open. And if you want to chat it in new chat, okay, you can see on the down it says type a message. Just click on this, type a message, and here now you can type the message. Okay, just type the message. After you have finished to type, you can see the, here is the send option. Just click on the send. Okay, see here it will be sent. See, your friends will get this message. Okay, so you can type the message like this easily if you want to type the message. And if you want to delete the message, you can see this, just click this one. Okay, just tap this one and click on three dot. From here you can see clear message. Okay, on the side here, if you want to delete your message, okay, just click on clear message from here. See, this is the clear message option. If you want to clear, you can clear from here. Okay, suppose I click on the clear message, and here is the continue option. Just click on continue and your message will be deleted. Okay, and friends, if you want to like if you want to delete, then I know, or you know already how to delete. Okay, and if you want to view your contact friends, you can view from here. This is the contact friends. Okay, you can view from here. Just tap on here on this communities. This is the start community, not contact. Maybe this is the chat. If you want to chat, new group, new community, and here is your contact friends. Okay, if you want to chat with your contact friends. Okay, this all are the contact friends. Okay, just click on this message option here, and you can search from here. On the down are your contact friends. Okay, so you can search like this. And friends, if you want to send the sending messages, okay, how the sending messages, to send the messages, I told you already how to send the message, right? After that, if you want to call your friends, how to call the friends. Okay, if you want to call the friends, what you need to do is that you just select the your friends. Okay, your friends, you have to select your friends chat. Okay, your friends chat box. After you have been select on it, if you want to make call, then what you need to do is that you have to see your chat friend calls. After that, just open the profile. I think there is no option to call your friends or to call the video call. Okay, if there is option, then you can tell me um, through comment box. Okay, I didn't find from here the call option. If you get, but there is the mic option to give your friends the voice call. If I want to give the voice call, you can give the voice call like this to your friends. After that, just click on send, and this voice call will send to you or to your friends. Okay, so you can send the voice call like this easily. Okay, and friends, I want to tell you that if you want to know about this setting, what you need to do is that you can see here is the your profile. Okay, here on the left side is your profile. Just need to tap on your profile. No need to tap on profile also. You just tap on the right side, this three dot. Okay, this three dot, just click on the menu. When you click on the menu, here's the setting. If you want to know about setting, you just click on the setting, and from here you can check your name, you can check your about, you can check the notification, privacy, security theme, chat, wallpaper, media auto download request, account info, keyboard shortcut, health. And you can see from here the notifications. And setting notifications, if you want to show to your contacts, or no, you don't want to show to your friends, then you can do from here. You can check it from there. Okay, so this I want to tell you more about this. And if you want to know about the security and privacy, I want to tell about the security and privacy. Here's the security and privacy. You can change the last seen online. Okay, who can see, who cannot see. And this is the profile photo, who can see your profile photo, who cannot. And this is the about, who can see your about. Okay, everyone or only two. Or if you want to block contacts, then you can check from here the block contacts. This is the group. seen. Okay, this is the block contact. Okay, this is the privacy, about privacy, and here is the security. About the security, here is the security. Okay, if you want to know about this security here, you can check from here. And now let's move on the theme. If you want to change the theme, light, dark, system, default, you can change from here, select from here, and just need to click on OK. Right, after that, now let's move on the chat wallpaper. You can change the chat wallpaper color. Okay, suppose I want to change into pink. See, wow, it's changed into pink color. I like it, so I just put into pink. Okay, because I like this pink, that's why. Then now let's move now on media auto download. You can check from here, request account info, keyboard shortcut. Okay, from here you can know about this setting more. Okay, more about setting. And friends, I want to tell you about the two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor. Okay, you can move on setting, and there you can find this two-factor verifications. Okay, and it says that while you are using your or linking your WhatsApp, you have to be careful while clicking the links or downloading the files. Okay, that people are sending you. Okay, you should be careful. Okay, and in conclusion, I want to tell you, friends, that WhatsApp web is a convenient way to access your chat on your laptop or desktop computer, and you may understand about just by following the steps. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.